Hello friends. Today we will discuss about engineering survey. These are the chapters covered in engineering survey. Chapter 1, Introduction to the survey. Survey is the art of determining the relative position of points through the direct or indirect measurement of distance, direction and elevation on or above or below the Earth's surface. In terms of engineering survey, it includes two things. First one is data collection and second one is establishment of information on the ground. Engineering survey is classified as shown in the figure. Let's discuss them one by one. First one is land survey. Survey which is carried on the surface of the Earth is known as land survey. Hydrographical survey. Survey which is carried to know the underwater features. Topographical survey. Survey done to know the topographic features like river, valley, roads, etc. Astronomical survey. Survey done to know the position of stars, planet, moon, sun, etc. Plane table survey. Survey done with the help of plane table is called as plane table survey. Geological survey. Survey done to know about the different strata of Earth. City survey. Survey done to provide any service in city like sewer pipeline, water supply, etc. Aerial survey. Survey done with the help of aircraft is known as aerial survey. Coming to the Earth. The shape of Earth is oblate, spheroid or ellipsoid or geoid, which means zero surface elevation. The radius of Earth is 6,370 kilometers. The Earth has equatorial axis greater than the polar axis. Geodetic survey means if the survey is carried out for a very large region, then we carry out the geodetic survey where we consider the effect of curvature of Earth. Next one is plane survey. It means the survey is carried out for a small region, then we carry out the plane survey where we not consider the effect of curvature of Earth. Coming to the principle of survey, it consists of first one is location of a point with respect to two reference line. Second one is working from whole to part. Coming to the first principle, which is location of a point by measurement from two reference points. The relative position of a point to be surveyed is located by measurement from at least two reference points whose positions are already fixed. The distance AB is measured and position are plotted on a sheet to some scale. Thus, these reference points A and B are used for fixing the relative position of the other points. Let the other point be C, which can be located by different direct methods. Method 1, the distance AC and BC are measured and point C is plotted by swinging the two arcs. Method 2, the perpendicular CD is fixed on the reference AB and lengths AD and DC are measured. The point C is plotted using set square. Method 3, the distance BC and ABC can be measured and point C is plotted using the protractor or trigonometrically. This principle is used in traversing. Method 4. The angle BAC and CBA are measured using angle measuring instrument. Knowing the distance AB and point C is plotted by protractor or by the trigonometric equation. This principle is used in triangulation. Method 5. Angles CBA and AC are measured and point C is plotted using a protractor or an arc from a or trigonometric equation. This principle is used in traversing. Second principle is working from whole to part. According to this principle, the required survey work is carried out from whole to part. In the required area to be surveyed, the first system of control points is established with high precision. Minor control points are then established with less precision. With the help of minor control points, the details of the area surveyed and calculated. This principle is preventing accumulation of errors. Thank you for watching the video.